What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we're going to be answering one of our common questions, and that is how to start your own mobile detailing business. Now there's a lot of you guys out there who are either heading into high school or you're in college and looking for an extra way to make some money, and becoming your own boss and entrepreneur, becoming a mobile detailer is a great way to do that. So today I've set aside 5 of the products that I believe are going to help you guys make money and also make cars look great. Now, with any detail, you're obviously going to start with a wash, and if you don't have access to running water, a pressure washer, or a water tank, a waterless wash is the way to go. Now, I've grabbed EcoSmart here, and this is the concentrated version, which is great because with one 16-ounce bottle, you can create 2 gallons. And also, you can use an empty 16-ounce bottle or one of these handy atomizers. Just by adding a little bit of product and filling the rest of it with water, you have your waterless wash solution ready to go in one convenient place. And what's great is you can use this on painted surfaces, you can use it on glass, wheels, and even engine bays. So now you have all your washing needs in one bottle to give it the right look and also to safely remove any kind of abrasive particles, bird droppings, dust, anything that's on the surface while also leaving behind a nice layer of wax to add shine. Now moving on, speaking of shine and protection, giving your customers a nice wax is going to, one, enhance the vehicle, but also add protection. So buttermelt wax is one of the easiest waxes to use. You can apply it to glass, you can apply it to chrome, you can apply it to paint. It's going to give you that same durable protection as well as a nice slick finish. Now, once you step up your detailing game, you're obviously going to want to get into claying and polishing, but for today, we're going to focus just on the basics. Now moving on, we have our interior. When you start offering detailing services, you can do your interior detail and offer an exterior detail. But one of the great products that is all in one convenient bottle is Total Interior. Now you can use this on virtually any interior surface, and as many detailers know, having a product that does multiple jobs is key. So Total Interior, you can use it on fabric, you can use it on vinyl, leather, dashboards, gaze clusters, you can even use it on your windows. So this covers basically all your interior needs by cleaning it and protecting it. Customer's gonna come inside of their car, they're gonna look at things like fingerprints, dust, anything that was left behind, but this is safely gonna pick it off while also adding a protective layer, and it also leaves a nice fabric, fresh, clean scent. Also, speaking of protection, we have VRP. This is a water-based dressing that's safe for interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic, hence VRP. Now you can use this for tires, you can use this for plastic components around the vehicle, but a lot of people want to see some kind of gloss or some kind of shine on the inside of their vehicle. Now I don't like that glare look on the dashboard, but there are some customers that are going to want that. So what this is going to do is it's going to, one, lock in any kind of protective nutrients that it needs, but it's also going to be dry to the touch. So it's not going to collect dust, it's not going to sling off if it's on the wheels, but it's still going to give you that deep luster. And finally, we have microfiber towels. In the detailing business, you can't have enough microfiber towels because, one, you don't want to be on a job where you run out of towels and then you have streaks or residue all over the vehicle, but also you want a quality towel like these workhorse towels that you can use to wipe off your waterless wash, buff off any excess wax, clean your interior, or remove any excess dressing. Now also in the detailing business, you want to have towels that are for designated jobs. You want to color coordinate your towels. In my own personal detailing arsenal, I probably have a few hundred towels, but going back to the workhorse, this is a great line to keep your cars and your customers' cars looking their best. Now, if you want more of a hands-on and also a more in-depth understanding of the mobile detailing business as well as how to grow your business, come check out our detailing courses down here in Gardena. Also, if you can't make it out to the classes, we have a ton of videos on YouTube showing you how to do just about anything. Now, we'll do a quick recap of everything that we have here. I put aside 5 of my favorite products here, starting with EcoSmart. The atomizer, this is kind of an optional step. We'll call it number 6, but it's basically an optional step. But EcoSmart, you can use it on glass, you can use it on wheels, paint, engine bays, pretty much anything on the exterior of the vehicle to make it look its best. Now also, you want to add some shine and protection to any color vehicle. You've got butter wet wax. Moving your way into the interior of the vehicle, you have Total Interior, which does exactly that, cleans the total interior of the vehicle. And we'll have our VRP here, which is a great dressing that's water-based, so it's not going to sling off, it's not going to collect dust, but it's going to repel UV rays and give it that nice deep gloss. And then finally, again, we have our microfiber towels. So guys, thank you so much for checking out today's video. I really hope this helped you guys either grow your business or inspire you to start your own business. If you want to learn more about these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.